Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are talking about the DePIN Alliance, which is another good airdrop project that I'm farming, and I think you should get started with it also. Now I know some of you might have already joined this project, but you have stopped mining. This is a reminder to get back to mining. Get back to mining, guys. Crypto is not for the weak. Crypto is not for the lazy, right? Especially airdrops, this airdrop space, you have to be very diligent and committed, right? So I know you have started before, but some of you have already stopped. So I'm going to show you guys how to go about DePIN Alliance and some new updates that I just found in DePIN Alliance. So as I've opened my app right now, I'm currently level 31 right here, and then saying I should claim. So I've claimed my point, and I'll come back in another anytime between 8 hours to claim again. So you will look up here, guys. My total profit is 30,235 per hour. This is like my profit per hour, right? So make sure you keep increasing this profit per hour so I can keep earning more. When you increase your profit per hour, you earn more points. Now, if we come over to missions, before we go to missions, the first thing you need to do, you click on this up place. It's showing my skills, as you can see here. So for programming, I'm in level 3, financial level 3, data analysis level 2, level 2. So make sure once in a while or every day if you can, continue upgrading your skills right here. It will help you in this project, right? Then you will come to missions over here. This is where you can first of all do your daily login. So as you can see, I'm collecting my daily reward, 70,000 day 11. Now after that, you scroll up, see that there are some other tasks here you can do. Connect Twitter, retweet, that gives a lot of points. Follow Twitter, invite friends. Also, if you come here to partners, there are some tasks there too, but it says you must complete um rebellion. So this task is also saying I must complete first. So try to complete all these tasks, go around the Pin Alliance, you enjoy the process. If I come to Workspace now, this is where I can improve my profit per hour. So I have 3 devices. This one is 13 per hour, this one is 9,000 per hour, this one is 6,000 per hour. If you want to increase this profit per hour, you go to shop and buy a bigger device. So now you will see, you come to your device, right? It comprises of some attributes like some components, CPU, RAM, and GPU, then storage. So you can see here my RAM here is this one is 128 terabytes. This one is 4 terabytes. So if I increase the RAM, I'll go to shop and buy a bigger RAM. So it will increase, and same for the CPU, same for the GPU, right? And it helps to also increase my profit per hour. So when I buy a bigger one here, then I'll just equip it. I'll come back to the device. If I want to change my RAM here or my CPU, I'll click on it, then I'll swap or unequip, then equip the one I just bought. And I can sell this one later on. So basically, guys, the Pin Alliance is a fun project. It doesn't really take much time a day. You just come, you just claim what you have mined. They can do a little tax, upgrade, then you are good to go for the day. And also, don't forget to invite friends, right? Here are my own invites. And also join a league. You can join a league. I joined this guy, this is my friend Shelby's Journal. So he's one that referred me. So you can join this league if you want. And if you have not started the Pin Alliance, the link will be in the description. Join the link and get started with the Pin Alliance. The Pin Alliance is a good project, guys. I will not bring up a project on my channel if I've not checked about it and if I'm not sure that it has potential to do very well. So the Pin Alliance is one of them. If you're not get started, click on the link. The link will be in the description to get started right now. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, more airdrop videos and crypto updates. And I have a group on WhatsApp where we drop updates about airdrops and crypto in general. Join the group. The link is free. The link will be in the description. Don't join my WhatsApp group. And with that said and done, I'll see you in the next video.